We're here at the 2014 Great American Insurance Summer Cutting Spectacular. We just got done with the Derby Gelding Finals, and I'm here with Scott Weiss. Came out the champion with a score of 220. Scott, can you kind of tell me a little bit about the horse you're riding?
Well, Ruby CD is a horse that we purchased at the Futurity last year. My client Ron Malone and I have been looking for a horse for about 2 years, and I saw that horse in the first round. Kenny Platt was showing it, and it really caught my eye, and I loved its mother. It's Playboy's Ruby, and he was by Highbrow CD, which was one of my all-time favorite horses. So I said to Ron, I said, I'll be right back. I'm going to go talk to this guy. And so I walked over to Kenny, and I said, Kenny, would you sell that horse? And he said, well, we priced him at, and it was a significant number. And I said, not a problem. I reached in my pocket and gave him a check, and I said, we'll take him. And he kind of looked at me, and I said, yeah, the only thing I want to do is get him x-rayed, and we own him from here on. And Kenny did a fabulous job. He got that horse all the way to the finals of the Futurity last year. He ended up tied for 5th. And after the Futurity, we took him home. We turned him out for a month. I got him back late in January, started loping him, and just fell in love with him from that day forward. Subsequently, Ron won the Super Stakes in the Amateur. He just won Vegas in the Amateur. And I'd made the finals on the horse and showed him a little bit on the weekends, and just really felt like we're really clicking right now. I mean, the horse has just given me everything. And tonight I know the semis were on Saturday, so in my mind tonight was my semis. I needed to go big or go home, so we've been here since the Amateur, and we just brought the one horse, and so my wife and I were sort of contemplating, and I said, I got the draw, so I'm just going to lay it out there, and whatever it ends up, but I'm going to pretend that this is my big run. And shoot, my second cow was awesome, and I worked it for a ton of time, and I knew right then if I stayed hooked, they'd mark a big score, and they did, and then it made everybody else have to throttle up a little bit, so I was pretty happy about the outcome.
Now, did you get to actually cut the cattle that you picked, or how? Kind of tell me a little bit about your run.
Well, Casey Green settled them, and my other herd holder was Clay Johnson, and I had picked 3 or 4, and there was one gray cow that I was pretty set on cutting first, and when I went to get back on my horse to get him ready, Clay rode up to me and said, that cow just acted really bad. And I said, you know what, I'm okay with that then. We're going to let him go, and we'll cut the other 2. And they told me where they were. The first cow was easy to cut. And when I turned around, Casey goes, here's the yellow baldy. And she was right in the middle, and I drove to the back and drove her up. And I have no idea how long I worked her, but I knew it was a long time because my horse was getting out of air. But really, I was getting out of air, and I thought, well, I'm okay with it. If he's tired, I'm tired too. So it worked out good.
Now, you said Casey and Clay helped you. Who else was helping you?
Austin Shepard turned back, and Lloyd Cox. And I had a really, really good crew. In fact, I said to my wife the other day, that's the best I felt in this pen in a long time because I haven't had a real strong horse. And, we're from California, so all of my usual guys are back in California. So, I kind of got some guys that never helped me before, and I couldn't be happier. They really pulled for me. I could feel it in the arena. The greatest thing about this sport is that, they went down there and helped me mark a big score, and I knew they'd come and try and beat me later, but they were really pulling for me, so I appreciated it.
Congratulations, and there you have it, folks, the champion of 2014 Derby Gelding Finals.